And let's again. Shake your booty. Don't let her shake it. Shake it, shake it. Yeah. Let's go, bro. Ready to Ready, guys? Steady. And another one for trainees as well. Harry, Jerry, and Trainer Edsel. We hope you all are spending your morning here at Carica with New Conference, the South American Sea Lion, Vincent, and Sandra. And we also hope that whenever you leave, you'll take with you wherever you go. And remember, what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like many animals, cannot survive in terrestrial environment, so let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside Oceanarium. Always keep in mind to the stewards of our planet with us. Each one wants not to what we can. To protect and conserve all the inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Karen, Jerry, and Vincent, Trainer Edsel, and Sandra, and all of the Aquatica and Marina Ocean Park, we would like to thank you all today. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you and some friendly reminders, especially in the lower beaches. Kindly remain seated and please do not cross the yellow line while the sea lions are leaving. Thank you. Say goodbye to the sea lion friends. Bye, everyone.